What go on now? Yeah man, I look at yardy style, you know what I mean? Look at cherry sitting, and look at apple sitting. Yeah. You know the thing set, you know. I just what the current business coming, so we used to work with all greater and sitting there. So I look at yardy style, me I show you look at greater thing, you know what I mean? Oh, this no pussy. Hey. Yeah man. See that right now greater man, a greater, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Greater some plants, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Boss him up man. You know what I mean? I look at Sunday vibes still. Yeah. Current gone, but besides I have to drink some juice, you know. So I use my little vegetable grater and rub out them. You know what I mean? Yeah man. I don't know nah man. Yeah man. I don't know nah man. Big up yard and a brother, certain things set. Out the road. Yeah man. Mother teach me man. Grow me good, you never grow me. I jolly picnic, you know man, climb on me. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Alright. Look how greater in time again, you know. Yeah man. I chew apple and puff make me have to greater them still, because if them the soft right, you could have to squeeze them so you know. If you not have a greater easy as this, you know, you see that I rub out yardy style. Cherry I see something. I rub you out, see that? Yeah. Yardy style. Current gone, so I give them little back in the day style, you know what I mean? Can't drink lemonade on Sunday during the week that. Cherry business this now. I just say about the cherry, you know. We not grate a cherry, I know about cherry, I will blend cherry. What is? See apple seed. Right, kid. And so much of them I get there. Pause again. Press back the same book, we press pause. See look, Lord. I know nothing good again. What me say, I know nothing good again. See a little more, you know. This and that's ice. Lord God. I'm make it tell you. Yeah man. Don't know put in the ginger and squeeze a one long man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now put on this now, make this set. You know what I mean? When this set, that's a thing there. When it's set, that's a thing there. Water your good feet, you know what I mean? So, soon show you where you reach, yeah.
Of course. That chicken put up on the next side of fire.
Oh, tap it. Oh, you want me? Come again. Give them little apple and cherry juice. Come again. Chicken they smell nice. And me to tell you, I'm sorry you can't smell the chicken through the phone. Yeah. See how this now, you see how this look? You see if you buy all one of them tang there now and you use the tang sweet with this. Lord God. You lick your 10 finger. If I not tang a maxi. And if you tell anyone I want to sweeten this. Yeah, man. I want one of them tongue there to sweeten this. See all them, anyway you throw them, you know. The guarantee is a cherry tree have to grow, you know. Yeah, man. Anyway you throw them, the cherry tree have to grow. You know, I'm going to tell you about apple. Because you don't know. Inside of the apple have one big round something. Inside of the cherry have some little round something. Yeah, man. So look, I eat this. I eat this. I make tank with my water. You think alright? I want something, you know. I see the best tank for you sweeten your cherry and your apple juice, you know. I want strawberry tank. Yeah, you see that red one there? I think the best thing to use the strawberry one, because when you throw in there, you make it juice red and nice, you fudge. I mean, I say, yeah, man, just watch and subscribe, and you know what I mean? Tell your friend about it and things like that. I'm out. Yeah, man, I then chicken them that tell you about, man. You see how them looking at pot, and nothing normal. Me I fry them with natural coconut oil, it smell nice. Outside cooking are the best. Cook on your coal stove and low the gas. The gas not good for your system. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I'm out.